Welcome to the two-way Nara folding base assembly instructions. When you open the cartons, you will find the base, the columns, the booker rods and the spiders. You will need a 17mm spanner, thread lock and a socket drill. Firstly, remove 4 washers and 2 nuts from both ends of the booker rods, leaving 1 nut in place. Place 2 washers back on the ends with the nuts and apply thread lock. Position the folding mechanisms to the side, place the booker rods through the spiders and secure with the nuts. Next, put the folding mechanism upright and use your fingers and the spanner to tighten the top nuts. Make sure the spiders and the folding mechanisms are facing the same way. Grab the columns, identify the ends with the double tabs and place them over the booker rods. Find the tabs on the base and line them up with the tabs on the columns. Place the remaining washers and nuts on the ends of the booker rods and apply thread lock. Lastly, use the socket drill to tighten the nuts and complete the base. The Nara two-way folding base is made from aluminium powder-coated anthracite and is also available in a single pedestal table and dry bar. The folding mechanisms are easy to use and the leg configuration allows for simple side-by-side stacking for storage. Perfect for hospitality, office or function room spaces.